could be finer than to be in Carolina with WKIX Channel 85.
Here we have an Amana window type air conditioner. Let's see, is there a date on this? No, this is model AMAP061BW, 6,000 BTU, 240 M7N. What the hell that ever means? That's the airflow. It weighs 44 pounds. It says it right there. That's interesting. And it's R410A, 14 ounces. Imported by XLS Products. And at first you see this unit, you know, it looks pretty nice. It's in good shape. It's got these vents here. The styrofoam doesn't look all that bad. I wouldn't say it's been used that much. Even the filter in here looks pretty decent, and the coils are good. But that's not the whole story. This would be the picture you take to put on Craigslist, and then you go to pick the thing up, and you see this. Here's the rest of the story. So, I found this air conditioner on the curb up at the beach, and as with all things from the beach, it's totally rotted. I wouldn't guess this air conditioner is more than 2 or 3 years old, but I wouldn't guess it was used much, but it is just rotted. And if I had to guess, the accumulator or something has rotted, and this thing has probably lost its charge, and that's the end of it. Although I did inspect it, and I didn't find anywhere, I mean, I just looked through the vents, but I didn't see anywhere that it was obviously leaking like oil or anything, so we'll see. But yeah, that beach is not nice to anything. That's salt and shit. Still got the tags on the cord, so we'll go ahead and fire it up and see what it doesn't do. Okay. Cool. Huh. Fan motor's stuck on something. $61. That's a weird temperature to go down to. Let's put it on high. Oh God. This thing could have a fan problem, and maybe the refrigerant system has not got a problem. What the hell's going on? Let's see, what is it? 1, 3 clicks to get the compressor on? It's like the fan tries to start and then gives up. Wish I could get in there to figure that out, but I said the compressor started for a split second and cut off. I'll tell you what, I'll be back. Okay, let's see here. Okay, there goes the compressor. Can't feel if it's cooling or not. It is. Okay, so if the fan were working, I believe this thing would work. Yeah. That's getting cold. I thought for sure this thing would have lost its charge. But that does not seem to be the case. No, that thing's getting cold. Not very, but let's see, can I get something in there and turn that? There, yeah, is it? Well, when I get slightly turning, it's getting cold. Yeah, there we go. No. Oh. Oh. Okay, there was something shoved in, stuck in there. I wouldn't say it's ice. I mean, it's cold. It's working. Well, that was a lot easier than I expected it to be. Okay. There we go. Just spray over this with some white paint and put it on Craigslist. Ready to go. $100, brand new, never used.